Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we discussed about the sales and sales detail saver relationship. One sale consists of many details. One sales consists of many sales details. We already discussed about these things, right? Now after that, we already make the sales controller, right? Now let's we create the view page. So here we have to go to views. We have to create a new folder. We have to write here sales. You write so here create. You want to make the form which is a create blade dot php, the sales page. This sales page I have to make the form. So I'm already made the form, so I'll be explained, don't worry. Right, so here what I did here is, so here's a layout content. This one I already discussed about these things, right? This is a layout. It's a layout page. Header and footer include this one. This is a yield content. This yield content we have to call it here. This is a yield content, right? Okay. So here this one should be our main page, which is a POS sales system, right? So we have to adding me have to make it as POS. So here we have to write that you have to create the row, right? So row, we have to create the row, right? Row we have separated. One is a 8, the altogether is 12, size will be 12, first is 8, second is a 4, right? Altogether 12. So first one we have to make it as a form, right? It's a form design, right? The form design. So we have a fields. This is the heading: product code, product name, price, quantity, amount, option. So this one should be our barcode, right? It's a barcode, right? So we have a one first field which is called as barcode reader. Okay, so here we will be enter your product ID. The respective product details need to be displayed the respective columns. Okay, so here is a barcode. We have to read the barcode. So the second one should be the uh, product. We have to enter the product barcode, which will we have to display the product names. Right, it's a product name. Enter the barcode ID. The respective product name should be displayed, right? So the relevant price should be displayed, right? Product ID, product price will be displayed. So here we have this one called as we have at the moment the we have a product ID. We have set as a product ID. If you want to add a barcode ID, we have a create additional columns in your product ID columns. Okay, it's a barcode. So here's a barcode. This one. Okay, so you write a ID, right? So the product price and quantity, right? We have a these are the columns. We have consist of these columns, right? So here when you type the product ID, respective product name and price and display, we need to add the quantity. The total will be calculated automatically. Okay, after that you click add button, it would be added into our table. So that's the thing you have to do it here, right? So this is the product table, right? Product table. So here like this, if I go to the product ID, if you enter the product ID over here, one product name displayed as sugar, and the respective price should be displayed. What is the price you are displaying? The price should be some price. Okay, so quantity you need to select yourself. Quantity, if you select as 2 3, the total displayed, right? So this up. After that we have a button which is add button. After calculate the total, click add button. This item list should be added into the below table, right? This is a thing we have achieved of here. Okay, this is the thing we are going to do it, right? So we have type the product ID. The respective product detail should be display the respective columns. So after we have to select the quantity, the price will be automatically calculated. The total price will be automatically calculated. After that, we have a button which is a add button. If you click on this add button, we have to process the calculation part. So the calculation part, we have create the separate function which is called as add product. So with this function we have created below. You can see we have created the function below. This is the function we have created, right? This is we have implement the function which name is add products, starting from here, open bracket and close bracket. Okay, so here you can see here we have created a variable which name is products. Okay, open and close bracket. Here you can we have implemented the variables. So okay, barcode, product name, price, quantity, total cost, this everything along with one button which is the delete. So what we implement the button over here, accidentally you have add some products, so you have to you have you have think to delete that product we accidentally added. You may think to delete that product. There is a option which is a delete, so you will be able to click that delete button and you can delete that separate delete that particular row from the list, right? So that we have to add one button which is a delete, right? These are the products. So here we can go here, this product id, so you can see the product name, price, quantity. These are the things we are getting from here. When you click, you can see here, when you click add button, these are the product id, barcode, product name, price. These are the values should be, this all the values should be here. This quantity, this all the total cost, all the values should be. When you click add button, it goes to here, the add button. Okay, it you can assign it this one, these variables, this all done these variables, right? Okay, that's the thing we have did it over here, right? This how we have added here. This one should be added into the where this we have a add row function. So add row function, we have add row function. We have a add row function. Okay, so we create the add row function. So add row function, you can see here, this add row function. The function is started from here and close it here. Here you can see here, this function, we have a t body. T body mean here you can see here, this is our t body part. Here we have nothing to include at over here. This is all t body. This is our table. Okay, this is a column. This is our form. You click add button. This is the below table. We have a columns, product code, product name, price, and quantity, amount. Inside the t body, we have to add this one, these things. Okay, so we have to add it here. Product list is a button. Okay, button. So the barcode, price, product name, price, quantity, and total cost. These all things should be added. Okay, along with the delete button. Okay, so here along with the delete button. That's the thing you have to call it here. When you click add products, we have to call the add row function. Add row function. This how we have added product code, product name, product price, quantity, and total. These all things we have a this one product code. Okay, this is a product. Okay, okay. We have called this product. Product means this all the product details. This all the collection. When you click add button here, this all the products collection coming here. You have to put into this variable. So it's coming here. You have to get into over here. You have to get in one by product total. Okay, product code, product name, product price, product quantity, product total cost, product total. Likewise, we have to call it over here. After that, we have to calculate the total quantity. What is the quantity you are selected? If your quantity is selected 2, okay, it will be incremented. Here, this one incremented. Okay, that's how we have calculated the final total. Okay, that's how we have added the final total. So after that, if you want to remove the field, like accidentally you have added some item, you have to delete them. When you click delete button, it should be deleted. So we have to achieve this here, right? So we achieve this here. This is the we have called the table append. Append function will be the respective column should be added. So that's how we have did it here. This one we have to call it over here. Right? It will be added into the form invoice. Right? Here this is the invoice form. Can here the invoice. Right? Okay. We have to do the things. We have to add the do the things here. Right? So that's the thing we have to do it. Right? So here this one. This is not this. We have to. We no need this one. We have to accidentally put in this invoice code over here. Where the code, this one we no need them. So let's call it. No problem. It's a reset, right? Okay. So after add this one, this we have to the all the product here. This one. Uh, yeah, form invoice. What is the form invoice mean? After at the after click the add button, what happen is this all the row should be reset mean it will be clear. So that we have write this reset button here. We call the reset. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it over here.